Feelings, vocabulary. How do you feel today? How do you feel now? In this video, you are going to learn the vocabulary to express your feelings and also say it in a complete sentence. Sleepy. I am sleepy now. I am sleepy now. Scared. Scared. I am scared. I am scared. Don't worry. You will get better soon. Don't worry. You will get better soon. Confused. Confused. I am confused. I am confused. Surprised. Surprised. I am surprised. I am surprised. Sleepy and tired. Sleepy and tired. I am sleepy and tired. I am sleepy and tired. I worked all day. I worked all day. Happy. I am happy now. I am happy now. Bored. Bored. I am bored. I am bored. Nervous. Nervous. Anxious. Anxious. When you go to school for the first time, when you go to work for the first time, when you meet a person for the first time, you feel nervous and anxious. You are not comfortable. I am nervous and anxious. I am nervous and anxious. Before the interview, you feel nervous and anxious. Nervous, anxious. I'm nervous and anxious. Sad. Sad. I am sad. I am sad. angry, angry. I am angry, I am angry. Shy, shy. She is shy, she is shy. I am shy, I am shy. She is sleepy, she is sleepy. She yawns, she yawns. She yawns. She is sleepy, she is sleepy. Hungry, hungry. I am hungry, I am hungry. Bored and lonely, bored and lonely. I am bored and lonely. I am bored and lonely. Great everyone. Practice well.